for many. I'm so honored to be back here one more time, bud. Thank you, Bomani, and Africa for the Africans. And thank each and every one of you for keeping your divine appointment this day. This day. The only reality we have is right now. So, some of you may know libations. This is water, it's liquid prayer. It flows everywhere, as we do too, in spirit. So, I offer this prayer as I pour libation in honor of the great one, the Honorable Kwame Nkrumah. And it's so great to stand here once again. Once I pour the libation, we honor our historical ancestors and our personal ancestors. Stephanie, we begin with the historical or the personal? Historical first. Thank you, my sister, myself. We'll pour and offer libation for our historical ancestors. The ones that guided you here? Yeah. And so we're going to name them with great pride this African Liberation Day. Yesterday. Today, we bring that same energy here. The liberation of African people worldwide. Pan-Africanism or perish, as Dr. John Henry Clark said. So we're going to pour and offer these libations, beginning with the Honorable Kwame Nkrumah. And when I say it, you say Ashe. The Honorable Kwame Nkrumah. Ashe. Name the names of those you would like to name, and we will Ashe that. Ashe. Marcus Mosiah Garvey. Ashe. Jomo Rasha Mashiach. Ashe. Dr. Benny Shabazz. Ashe. Dr. John Henry Clark. Ashe. Yeah. Dr. Ben Yabu. Ashe. Ashe. Ashe.
Oliver Tambo.
Malcolm X. So many ancestors are very happy. Let's name our personal ancestors. Your grandmama, granddaddy, your Uncle Billy. Ashe. One time Ashe. Name your names. They brought you here. Never gonna leave here. Ashe. 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 Oh. Those that will never remember the name of, those that are named themselves, we give gratitude to them. We give thanks to our ancestors this day and every day. In the name of all the holy and holies, we bear witness today. It's a great day. And we end by saying 3 times, forever, backwards never. Forever, backwards never. Forever, backwards never. Forever, backwards never. And so it is. So it is.
Thank you very much.